offenses sa team. Si Gian Mamuliak, 60. And Jamie Malonzo playing as early, most of the time meron siya advantage sa PBA. And sa Gilas, kasi laki niya rin naman halos yung mga wings doon. So nakikita natin nice use of body para mawala si Mamuliak sa eksena, dribble pull up, 2 points. Again, ilang dribbles yun. Ito yung na-appreciate ko rito. Ito natin, 1, 2, 3, 4 dribbles. Magandang bagay yun kasi doon madedevelop talaga yung scoring mo na. So, okay, dito, okay, Gagel. Basically, post-split to. Okay, si Jamie Malonzo, nasa kanya, again, sa high post, o sa mid post. Pumace up siya against Norwood, clear out si Ralph Koo. Again, Jamie Malonzo, 2 points, dribble pull up, and fade away. Again, dito, triangle offense, pasa kay si Stat, cut through, dalawa. Then you have Jamie Malonzo.